My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the new adware called OriginalProcess. OriginalProcess is a new adware from the adload family of adware type infections. OriginalProcess adware actually attacks Google Chrome, Safari, and other browsers. This adware may show its really intrusive advertisements randomly on your screen. And if you do not want to see these ads, you need to get your Mac fixed and remove this horrible adware. This adware, by the way, is typically spread through being integrated with a lot of free applications, and in many cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So right click on it and move it to the trash. Also, to make sure that your system is free of other threats, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the application, and start researching your system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.